welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Reyes Ruiz.
And I'm Courtney Govan.
Booker Taliaferro Washington was an American educator, author, orator, and advisor to several presidents of the United States.
Success is to be measured not so much by the position that one has reached in life as by the obstacles which he has overcome while trying to succeed. Booker T. Washington.
Today is the last day of Senior Week. The dress-up day today is Disney Day. See you out on the quad today for noontime activities. Seniors rule.
Want to be on national television? Want to travel the world and create fashion? Join Fashion Club on Monday, May 23rd in room 347 and participate in the worldwide fashion competition, Junk Couture, with us. Participants get to go to exclusive events, win prizes, and travel all around Europe. Come to the meeting to learn more. Don't miss out on this international opportunity.
Anybody interested in trying out for the girls volleyball team next year, there will be a very important meeting that you must attend on Tuesday, May 24th in the O'Donnell Gym at lunchtime. Again, the meeting will be held at lunchtime on Tuesday, May 24th in the O'Donnell Gym. It is imperative that you are there. See you then.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching. And remember,
Go Balers!